Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Yes, children, we were doing that lesson, the clothes we wear. Today in this lesson, we will do MCQ. MCQ means multiple choice question. First question is, what do we need to cover our body? First option is clothes. Second, gloves. C, socks and hat. What is the correct option? Clothes. Second one, cotton clothes keep us cool, warm, healthy. None of these. What is the correct answer? Keep us cool. Now third, we get cotton from cotton plant, honeybee, sheep, silkworm. We get cotton from cotton plant. Now next is, we get silk from silkworm, sheep, honeybee and cow. These are the options: silkworm, sheep, honeybee and cow. So what is the correct answer? Silk we get from silkworm. Next is, we get wool from sheep, cow, tiger, goat. We get wool from sheep. Next is, in which season we wear sweater? Winter, rainy, summer. None of these. Which is? That is winter. Next, special dresses some people wear to work. The answer is uniform, silk, woolen. At their workplace, we will or some people wear uniform. Next, people do not wear uniform. Who? Vegetable seller, pilot, doctor, policeman. Pilot, doctor, policeman, they wear uniform. Vegetable seller have no need to wear uniform. Next is, the traditional dress of Indian woman is sari, kurta, sweater, shirt. Traditional means हमारी पारंपरिक dress. So what is that? It is sari. The process by which cotton thread become a cloth is called weaving, sewing, spinning. None of these. Thread से जब हम कपड़ा बुनते हैं तो उस process, that process is called weaving. Next is, in which season people like to swim in swimming pool? In which season? Swimming pool. And summer, winter and rainy. Which is correct option? Summer. We go to swimming pool in summer. Next is, in which clothes protect us from all of us. All of these, that is rain, cold, heat. What is the correct option? Clothes protect us from all of these, because all these from all these things clothes protect us, right? Next is, we wear woolen clothes to keep us warm, energetic, cool. Woolen cloth keep us warm. A option. Next is, what do we use to protect ourselves from the sun rays? From the sun rays. umbrellas, hats, sunglasses. All these things protect us from umbrellas, hats, and sunglasses. Right? Now, next one. The process by which hair is collected from a sheep body is called shearing, weaving, spinning. What is the correct answer? sheep की बॉडी से जो वूल निकालने का जो प्रोसेस है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? shearing. Right? Next one is, which type of clothes can be knitted at home? Woolen clothes, silk cloth, cotton cloth. Silk cloth and cotton cloth we can't weave at home, we can't knit it at home. Woolen clothes we can knit at home. Now next question is, the dress you wear for school, what it is called? Uniform, jeans or frock? It is called uniform. Okay. Next is, special dress of a country is called a, what is that? Traditional dress. की मानो uniform, but it is called traditional dress. Now next one, cotton, woolen and silk are type of clothes, vegetables, animals or country. Cotton, woolen and silk, all are these clothes. Right? Next is, in which season people wear raincoat? Rainy, winter, summer. In rainy season we wear cotton cloth. Children, these were the some MCQ. Okay, you do practice for this. Have a good day. Thank you.